Welcome to the best picks. The best Biohazard Kit is probably one of the most crucial safety tools you can have, especially if you work in environments where biological hazards are a concern. These kits are designed to provide everything you need to safely clean up and dispose of potentially infectious materials, protecting you and others from exposure. We're diving deep into what makes a great kit, so you can make an informed decision and stay safe. Number 5. Urgent First Aid 22-Piece Spill Kit. This kit helps you stay OSHA compliant. It protects you from dangerous exposure to blood and other potentially infectious materials. You can use this as a refill for your existing BBP kit. It's also a great addition to any first aid kit or cabinet, or use it as a standalone BBP kit. The kit includes all the necessary PPE and spill cleanup materials. It's bilingual, with both Spanish and English instructions, for OSHA compliance and accessibility. It comes with extra personal protective equipment and spill cleanup materials. You'll also find medical-grade gloves and a gown included. This kit is proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. It's designed to provide you with the protection you need. What we like. This kit ensures you're fully compliant with OSHA regulations. It includes bilingual instructions, making it accessible for everyone. Plus, it comes with extra personal protective equipment. If you're looking for a kit that prioritizes safety and compliance in any situation, this is the one for you. What people say. The Urgent First Aid 22-Piece Bodily Fluid Cleanup Pack is a critical tool for ensuring safety and OSHA compliance in any business environment. The kit includes 22 pieces of high-quality, practical tools for immediate spill response. It's designed to help you follow the correct protocol while protecting your staff and customers from exposure to dangerous pathogens. Number 4. New Pig Bodily Fluid Cleanup Kit PM50001. This kit is designed for fast response to bodily fluid messes. Its compact design allows you to store it almost anywhere you need it, so you're always prepared. The kit comes in an easy-open, resealable bag. This protects the contents from dirt and moisture, ensuring everything stays clean and ready for use. This single-use kit is faster and more efficient than larger kits. It's also safer and more effective than using rags or paper towels. It's great for various locations, including school buses, classrooms, and medical facilities. It's a versatile solution for many environments. The kit includes absorbent pads, loose absorbent, a biohazard disposal bag, gloves, and a mini dustpan. It has everything you need to clean up spills effectively and safely. What we like. This kit features a compact design, perfect for quick response. The resealable bag protects the contents, and it's a single-use kit for efficiency. If you need a convenient and fast solution for small spills in various locations, this is your go-to. What people say. If someone is going to vomit all over your facility, grab none other than the Pig Kit for cleanup. Kid with an upset stomach. Pig Kit. College freshman after rush week. Pig Kit. Actual pig enters your shipping receiving department. Pig Kit. What we needed for our business met Board of Health requirements. As described. Number 3. Pig PMB 30101 Bodily Fluid Cleanup Kit. This kit is designed for fast response to bodily fluid messes. Its compact packaging allows you to store it virtually anywhere you need it. The easy-open, resealable bag protects the kit's contents. It keeps everything safe from dirt and moisture. This single-use kit is faster and more efficient. It's safer and more effective than using rags or paper towels. It's great for various locations, including school buses, classrooms, and medical facilities. The kit is perfect for any place where spills might happen. The kit includes absorbent pads and loose absorbent. It also has a biohazard disposal bag, gloves, and a mini dustpan. Everything you need is in one place. What we like. This kit features a compact design, perfect for quick response. The resealable bag protects the contents, and it's a single-use kit for efficiency. If you need a convenient and fast solution for small spills in various locations, this is your go-to. What people say. If someone is going to vomit all over your facility, grab none other than the Pig Kit for cleanup. Kid with an upset stomach. Pig kit. College freshman after rush week. Pig kit. Actual pig enters your shipping receiving department. Pig kit. What we needed for our business met Board of Health requirements. As described. Number 2. First Aid Only 214 U Blood Pathogen Cleanup Kit. This kit includes everything you need to safely clean up blood and bodily fluids. It comes with antiseptic towelettes, a disposable gown, shoe covers, and more. It's designed to keep you safe while cleaning. Inside, you'll find an assortment of cleaning tools and personal protective equipment. This kit is designed for cleaning up potentially infectious bodily fluids like vomit, spit, blood, and urine. It helps to ensure a safe and sanitary environment. The kit comes in a sturdy, reusable plastic case. It has a carrying handle and holes for mounting on a vertical surface. This makes it easy to store and transport. This kit is ideal for use in various settings. It's perfect for hospitals, doctors' offices, and clinics. It can also be used by specialized cleaning crews. First Aid Only offers a full line of first aid solutions. They provide kits, cabinets, and individual products. This kit is just one part of their comprehensive offerings. What we like. This kit comes in a sturdy, reusable plastic case. It includes a comprehensive set of cleaning tools and PPE. The kit is versatile and suitable for various environments. If you need a reliable and complete kit for professional or personal use, consider this one. What people say. This has an actual mask. I cut off the plastic shield part to allow it to function just like a regular surgical mask. Also, the kit has antiseptic wipes and gloves that can be used for handling and cleaning delivered groceries. I know now if I have health spills to clean up, I will have the right tools to do so with this kit. First Aid Only produces an excellent and easy-to-use 23-piece bloodborne pathogen bodily fluid spill cleanup kit. Number 1. First Aid Only 6021 Spill Cleanup Kit. This kit is designed for quick and safe cleanup of body fluids. It includes all the essentials to handle spills effectively and safely. This ensures a clean and sanitary environment. Inside, you'll find exam gloves, a biohazard bag, and absorbent powder. The kit also includes disinfectant wipes and antiseptic wipes. This ensures a thorough and safe cleanup process. This kit provides the tools needed for cleaning up various bodily fluids. It is designed to handle spills of vomit, blood, and urine. This kit ensures safety and hygiene. The kit comes in a weatherproof plastic case with a carrying handle. It is designed for easy storage and transport. You can mount it on a wall for quick access. This spill kit is perfect for hospitals, clinics, and offices. It's also suitable for cleaning crews in retail and public spaces. It is a versatile solution for any environment. First Aid Only offers a wide range of first aid products. They provide kits, cabinets, and individual items for various needs. They also supply CPR care and more. What we like. This kit comes in a weatherproof plastic case, ideal for various environments. It includes a comprehensive set of cleaning tools and PPE. It's perfect for cleaning crews and public venues. If you need a kit that can withstand different conditions and is easy to store, this is the one for you. What people say. Good for State Board cosmetology requirement. Has everything you need for a blood spill cleanup except Band-Aids. The team said this kit was easy to use and did the trick. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.